The garlic got braised by the sun a little bit. It was dry and hot. The strawberries, yeah, the flowers, a lot of them already turned into strawberries. There's a lot of them. We're not gonna get to see them. What is the update with the cherry tree? The cherry tree, sour cherry, yeah, they're forming, but they're still far from ready. So, about a week later, the garlic is looking a little dry. Maybe because of the scorching sun, maybe because my relatives haven't been watering it. But the strawberries are doing well. They're not mine, but let's talk about them anyway. They're not ready yet. I think maybe in 1 week they will be ready. And then, I forgot what these are called, but they're kind of nice. Let's take a look. Yeah, they're kind of nice. And then over to the cherry tree. Maybe we'll get to eat some after all. Who knows? Maybe they'll ripen within the next, 20 or less days. Alright, so I dug up the garlic. This is all garlic. There is some onion here. We'll get to that later. I dug it up using this shovel, and the rest I'm gonna pick out by hand. So the rest of the job will be done by hand. There's a lot of sand below a few inches of topsoil. So here's the garlic. It's a nice garlic. More garlic. And this is probably going to be the big one. Let's see. Not terribly big, but definitely strong. So there's actually 2 of them here. Look at that. It's a good garlic harvest, and lots more to go, lots more to share. Harvesting the garlic here. Lots of garlic, right? And there is a little patch of onion or chives. Yeah, some kind of green onions, that's right. So let's actually see what that looks like, because it's got to be onion. What else could it be? Yeah, that's green onion, and there's a bunch of little bulbs there too. Look at that. Yeah. Wow, looks like just like the one from the store, except better. That's green onion. And there's actually more here. I'll dig that up too. See, let me dump this shovel and get this one. There it is. Green onion. Getting the garlic out of the soil once you dig up a whole block like this, and that is drop it on something hard. Now that doesn't drop it again. And you see, it's all freed up now. Now you could just take it out. See, much easier. Just falls right apart. Makes it easy for you. Okay, now I'm going to wash the garlic. I'll show a couple. I'll do that with the hose. See if I can get a couple at the same time. So look at that, how nice. Their colors came out, right?